Hey everybody, it's me, Crankman here today, and today we got ourselves a 1994 Eureka Corvette handheld vacuum, and found this at my old house. My parents found it, and looks to be in good condition. The brush roll and everything, the model even has the Chevrolet logo on it, if you can see. So this is a limited edition vacuum, I'm pretty sure. So like I said, 1994 is the year. To Eureka Corvette vac, and yeah, let's turn this vacuum on and see how it handles. And yeah, that's the video of my 1994 Eureka Corvette vac. Hope you guys enjoyed.